Hey guys, it's Carrie with Mama Dares to DIY, and I want to thank y'all for tuning into my channel today. Now, if this is your first visit to my channel, I'll say a big hello, or if you're a returning subscriber, I'll say welcome back, my friend. I am so excited about today's video because y'all, it's my Dollar Tree haul. I asked yesterday on the community tab if y'all wanted to see what I got from the Dollar Tree, and everybody said yes, 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 and gave me lots of thumbs up. So here we are. Y'all are not going to want to miss anything that I have planned for Christmas, trust me. Some of it even has some crazy things like this. What in heaven's name am I going to do with a mop and a toilet brush? Yes, it's going to be used for Christmas. No, you're not going to want to miss it. Hit the notification button, ring that bell, and also make sure you hit all notifications. That way you're not going to miss a single upload the minute that it hits. And you can also chat with me on the premiere button. As soon as those videos premiere, I sit around and I talk with you, and it's a lot of fun. So trust me, you're going to want to hit those notifications and turn on all of them. So y'all, let's do this. Are you ready to see what's in these bags? I can't wait to show you. I'll give you a little sneak peek about what I've got planned. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, y'all, the first thing I want to show y'all are these cute little color your own ornaments. I love these ornaments. There's several different shapes. I believe they also have a bell shape, and there's one other shape, but I can't remember what it was. Maybe a gingerbread man? No, not a gingerbread man. I can't remember what the other shape was, but they have several different shapes of these. I plan on using these maybe to make a banner. Maybe I'll do some glitter on the snowflakes and put those on my tree. I'm not really sure yet what I'm gonna do with these, but I will use them for sure. So I'm gonna show you all of the wood pieces that I picked up. I really love all of the DIY signs that Dollar Tree has come out with. The Peace on Earth. There's Peace on Earth. There is Let It Snow. So cute. And there's Merry and Bright. I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with these either, but I thought they were just too cute to pass up. And I know if I did not grab them while they had them in stock at Dollar Tree, I would be out of luck. I also picked up these cute little DIY stickers. Again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with them, but I just thought they were so stinking cute. The glitter on here is really, really cute. And I love that they have the dots on the back. You can use these as a sticker, or you could always hot glue them down if you wanted something a little more permanent. And I also picked out some of these little signs, these little cutouts. I've got the snowflake here, really cute. And then I've also got the Christmas tree. Really, really love both of these. Again, I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do with all of these wood cutouts, but trust me, it will be awesome. Now, Dollar Tree also has the Faux Snow. They've got the kind of glittery faux snow, and then there's also this sort of like styrofoam packing material. I kind of like this one better, but I picked up both of them just so I would have options. Now we have the LED lights. This is a great value for $1. I mean, it's, you know, you put your batteries in here, and these LED lights are really nice. They're actually pretty bright. Okay, so moving on to some ornaments. These ornaments are just really cute. I love the wire that the Christmas trees are made out of, and they have jingle bells. I also picked up a ton of these decorative picks. These were actually 2 for $1, which I didn't remember Dollar Tree doing that, which I loved because I got all that they had in this white color, since my tree is gonna be white and gold and silver with a little bit of blush and turquoise. So I picked up all that they had in these, and I think I got like a dozen. Y'all, it would not be Christmas without jingle bells. And I just could not resist jingle bells in every size and color that Dollar Tree had. I just love them. I've got a couple of projects planned already with some of these, and then the others, I'm sure I'll find something to do with them. But like I said, it's Christmas. We gotta have bells. I also picked up some of these lights from Dollar Tree. They're a little bit different from the other LED lights. These are actually the copper lights on a strand, whereas these have the little tiny lights on them themselves, and these are the copper ones that are on a strand. So I just picked up both of them again so I could have options. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret that I'm planning for Christmas. Y'all asked for it, so I'm delivering. We are gonna do a Pottery Barn dupe Christmas series. Y'all loved the Halloween series so much, I thought that I would give y'all another series for Christmas. So stay tuned for that. And this is actually gonna be part of that series. Okay, moving along. Now I've got the LED pillar candles. These will not stay red because obviously red is not my color. So I will be giving these a completely new finish. So you're gonna love how these turn out. So stay tuned for that. How fun is this? I picked up this confetti and it has my colors, and I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with this. But I mean, with all that sparkle, and I got all 3 of these colors for $1. This was down the new craft aisle that Dollar Tree has. And y'all, if y'all have not been there, if your Dollar Tree does not have the craft aisle in yet, oh, y'all, I hope you get it. My store, one of my stores, has their craft aisle done, and it is amazing. So yeah, be sure to check out your craft aisle for some Christmas stuff too. And this little holly bush, I just think is adorable. I have an actual dupe for this. This will be part of my Pottery Barn inspired Christmas series that will be coming up. And I just thought it's got gold in it. It's really pretty. So yeah, this is great. This looks awesome for $1. This was the only one that my Dollar Tree had, but I'm hoping they get some more in because I do love the way this looks. And again, not Christmas, but it will be when I get through with it. So be on the lookout for this. Okay, next I have to show y'all these adorable little they're not wooden, these adorable little cardboard houses that I picked up. They're absolutely adorable. They come in 3 sizes. I opted for the smaller ones because I actually have a project plan for these. I picked up a dozen and I need 13 more. So take a guess at what I'm gonna do with these. It's gonna be part of the Pottery Barn dupe, so stay tuned to that. Aren't they cute? I thought it was kind of crazy that the small ones, the medium ones, and the large ones were all $1 because obviously the large ones are a better deal. But the small ones are the size I needed, so we went small. Found these, but y'all look at the sparkle on this. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. 12 ornaments for $1, and they were in my colors. I mean, I just could not pass up this deal. These are going to be great. I'm going to use a few on my tree, but I'm also going to use some of these in my decorating, so stay tuned for that. Y'all, this is another amazing value from Dollar Tree. These are the 18-inch Christmas trees, and they come in green and white. And I picked up around 10 of the green ones and around 5 of the white ones. And honestly, I'll probably end up getting more before I'm finished with all of my Christmas, because there's so many things that I'm going to do with these, not just have them as a little Christmas tree. They're 18 inches high, and that's a lot of bang for your $1. On to the candy cane wreaths. These frames are absolutely adorable. I was afraid I would not be able to find these in my local Dollar Tree, and I was going to be so sad. I'm actually not going to do the mesh on here. You're going to love what I do with this, so you're not going to want to miss it. So keep an eye out for that. I've got some balloons here, and no, we are not going to use them for a party. I'm actually going to use these for a DIY project. So yeah, this is just one part of the project. Okay, so now I picked up some of these cute little Pom Poms. I love the red, the white, and the green, even though they aren't my colors. I've got a fun project that you are not going to want to miss with this. This has a lot of different sizes in here, y'all. Look, it's medium, small, and large, and they're in all 3 colors. I'm probably going to wish I had picked up a couple more of these because there's lots of things you can do here. Now, this was actually down the Thanksgiving owl, I believe. Obviously, it's got the cornucopia on there, so that gave it away. But I love the colors. It's got the gold and the coppery finish. These will look great as a vase filler, but there's also a couple of other projects that I've got planned for this. And yeah, it's not gonna be put in a vase. So I'm excited to use these. And of course, it would not be Christmas without gold chargers. I love a gold charger plate. And when I saw these at Dollar Tree, I picked up 4 of them to put on my table because, I mean, they're beautiful. I went ahead and snagged a couple of these wreaths in a 15-inch and an 18-inch size. These will be awesome to use as decorations or to make a wreath. Knowing me, I probably will not make a wreath out of these. I'll probably use it for something else. But yeah, for $1, the 18-inch is definitely the better deal, but I thought I would get both of them just to be on the safe side. Y'all, look at these adorable little buffalo check boxes. Could these be any more cuter? I mean, y'all, come on. Absolutely adorable. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with these, but no matter what I do with them, it's gonna be great because buffalo check is in style right now. It's the latest rage, and yet you really cannot go wrong by adding a little buffalo check. So I picked up a couple of pairs of socks, and no, I'm not going to be putting them on my feet. I'm going to be making an awesome DIY with this, so stay tuned. How cute is this little deer ornament? It's a great size. I mean, it's like bigger than the palm of my hand. That's awesome for $1. I do have a dupe for a Pottery Barn item that I'm gonna do with this. And this actually just happened to be the perfect thing. So you're not gonna wanna miss this one. And how pretty are these gold and silver candles? These are not the flameless LED candles. These are actual candles. So I was really surprised when I came across these because I had never seen these in Dollar Tree before, but my Dollar Tree doesn't really carry a lot of this kind of stuff. So yeah, I picked up several of these. And of course, I had to pick up one of the water globes just because I thought it was cute. I've never made one of these before. And my Dollar Tree actually did not have the miniatures in stock yet. So I'm hoping I can find something fun and cute to go in here, because I think making a little miniature would be just adorable. A little miniature water globe would be just adorable. And so the very last thing that I picked up was this cute little scarf. I'm honestly not sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but I mean, for $1, it's adorable and it has jingle bells, so of course I was sold. So yeah, it's a great scarf. Maybe I'll just wear it and not make anything with it. Y'all, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up because that would mean the world to me. And if you've got something that you want me to make for Christmas, or if you've got a request, be sure to put those in the comments below. I love reading people's comments and I do respond to every comment that is left. My fans mean so much to me. I'm so blessed to have such wonderful fans following me. And I'm excited about Christmas. I can't wait to get this Christmas series started. So until next time, happy DIYing, y'all.